from New Mod City. Just wanted to invite everyone to the sickest paint competition we've ever had. The New Mod City Spray Off. It's open to all New Mod City citizens, so if you're not a member of newmodcity.com, by all means join us. Rules are simple. Any case side panel, any can of paint. You do whatever graphic you want. Unless you're entered in the New Mod City first anniversary case mod competition and using the same panel, there's no color scheme requirements. You can do pretty much whatever you want. So yeah, join us. Become a member of newmodcity.com if you're not already. Choose your panel, choose your paint, lay your graphic.